I know you, but.
Over the years, teachers have discovered that the traditional lecture method is now outdated. In 2008, a panel of professors and high school teachers got together in Memphis to talk about how students are to, what students are expected of in the college atmosphere. College professors told high school teachers that they wanted students that could apply knowledge to real-life situations and think outside the box, rather than retain the knowledge by memory. So therefore, lectures have only taught us to retain the knowledge rather than apply what we know. So one way to resolve this situation is what teachers call the 5E model. The 5E model involves engaging, exploring, explaining, elaborating, and evaluating. Engaging is when the teacher presents a situation or a problem or something like for a student to learn a task. Exploring is where students, they retain the knowledge by educating themselves on it and therefore exploring what the task is. Explaining is where students communicate what they've learned by exploring the task. Elaborating is where students apply concepts and other knowledge to build on what they already know. And evaluating is where the teacher sees your weaknesses and your strengths and helps you build on it. Other methods that are used are, for instance, hands-on projects in chemistry, doing bottle rockets, making ice cream, or in physics, using the bowling pins with the bowling ball, showing Newton's law of motion. Just hands-on stuff. Some students have been able to apply the knowledge by teaching other students. In this method, students actually teach the more fresh students how to become, for instance, an occupational therapist or an engineer. How they do this, or how the students teaching students role, is the students that are teaching other students learn the role by becoming, experiencing, and doing what they are, what's the word? Experience the role by becoming. Over the years, teachers are using more ways of engaging students rather than applying the knowledge, which helps high school students now become more successful in college than they have ever been before.